Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with a Valentine's Day Fashion Nova haul. So if you are looking for something sexy to wear for you or your bae, stay tuned. Now here I was really feeling my hair for this video with my new RPGSHOW wig. I gave you a sneak peek. Now if you want to see a video on the hair, I can do a whole video about it. Personalize it, show you guys how I do it with bleaching and fitting my head, and if you want to see a video on that, give me a thumbs up. Other than that, get into this video. Alright, so we're getting started with these velvet wide leg pants. They fit true to size. I'll put my size in detail down below, but I love how it fits. I paired it with this bodysuit, which is uber sexy. You can wear it in or out of the bedroom. Now with the bodysuit, I like to change up the design. How I wore it with the pants, I also wore it with this leather skirt. Now the leather skirt was really tight. I would have went another size up. The jacket fits true to size, and again, it looks really good together with the bodysuit. The skirt has absolutely no stretch to it, and you do get a little hot and sweaty under there, so be mindful of that. But the black and white play is really trendy, really adorable, and can be worn with almost any top. Now with this top right here, I love it because it's so different. It is a top that ties in the front, so it's really forgiving. You can go without a bra. I love the top because of how busy it looks, but I also love the colors. So really nice for vacation and definitely awesome for Valentine's Day. Now this jumpsuit fits pretty big, but it didn't work for me because of the bra situation, but I definitely wanted to show you the print and I think it's okay. Next is this black dress. It was so comfortable. You don't always have to be super dressed up for Valentine's Day. You can keep it casual and cute. That's what I was thinking about when I picked this dress up, and I love the way it feels on. It's super stretchy and it really hugs your body. Now this dress is so beautiful, y'all. This just does no justice for it on camera, but I love the sleeve detail. I love the ruffles. I love how it cinches in your waist, and most importantly, it's really expensive looking. You won't believe it's only $19.99, and this would be my pick if I go out. Now, as you can see, this dress is the ish, y'all. This dress is so pretty. Like, look at how it's sparkling, how it's shining. It has so many studs and stones, and I love how it's front and back. Now, unfortunately, it's not stretchy in the waist area. I actually could not fasten it all the way on the side, and I did not want to break it. So, give me about 2 weeks. I'll get into this dress, and I will be stunting somewhere. But I should have got this dress in the one size up. Again, I'll put all the details down below. Now last but not least, I wanted to get a casual but very cute fashion top. I love this top so much because it's classic black, but it has the play with the mesh and the ruffles, so it really stands out. This top makes it professional somewhat, but also fashionable, and I would definitely recommend it. Okay, Diva Dolls, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my Fashion Nova Valentine's Day haul. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat if you don't already. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.